Alright, hey guys, if you can see the stuff you're staring at, you're probably wondering what we're about to do. I'm going to teach you how to make a bed for a Reborn doll. Like if you don't have a lot of money or something. This one I'm making for my Levi Calvert. So I don't know if you can even see him in that picture. So first we got a box, and I just cut the flaps off the box already. Then you're going to need, pillowcase is optional, couple blankets, piece of foam, that's optional. You can also use stuffing, and you can just stuff into a pillowcase and then sew the end shut. So this is not a very expensive project. Oh, and an X-Acto knife. So first I'm going to cut off these little things here on this piece of foam so that the ends are even. As even as I can get it with this small X-Acto knife. It's not exactly made for cutting foam, but it'll work. So we got one piece off. Now I'm just going to go for this piece, and I'm aware that this is not even. I'm not going to be too picky about it though, because it's going to be covered. Okay, there we go. That one was a bit easier because it wasn't as big. Okay, I don't know where I put the cap for this. The cap is clear, so I always lose a thing. Okay, there it is. So now I'm going to take the pillowcase and just put the foam inside of it. Open it up and put the foam over the pillowcase like I'm stuffing a very small pillow. There's a lot of room in here. I could choose to put some stuffing in here if I wanted to, but at this moment I'm not going to. So I'm gonna try to center it as much as possible. Okay, and then fold the edges down, the end down, the open end over, bottom. So now take your box and then put the foam inside the box. Perfect fit, pretty much. Okay, and then I'm going to take my folded blanket. It's just like a kind of blanket quilt kind of thing. This used to be my baby blanket when I was a kid, when I was a baby. So put that inside your box like that. Take your other blanket and just lay it over the top like that. And now you have a nice little baby bed for your Reborn. So I'm going to just get my Reborn and put him inside of it. And there we go. Now he's got a nice little place to sleep. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you all have a great day. Love you all.